So let's say you got a new iPhone and you want all your old files transferred from your old iPhone to your new iPhone without using your computer, software, or any third-party apps. Well, in this video, I'll be showing you how to transfer your files from your old iPhone to your new iPhone without any computer or any software. So transferring data from your old iPhone to your new iPhone is quite an easy step, and it has been around for quite a while now. You don't need any system, you don't need any software to do this. So just get your old iPhone and your new iPhone and follow the steps in this video. Let's get into it. So with me here, I have two iPhones. The first thing you want to do is make sure both iPhones are charged up to 50% and both iPhones are connected to the internet. So this is the iPhone 13 Pro Max and this is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is the old iPhone and this is the new iPhone. So the first thing you need to do is go to settings on the new iPhone. If it's a brand new iPhone from factory, it's already on the default screen. All you just need to do is follow the prompts. But for this, you need to go to general here. Scroll down to you see transfer or reset iPhone. Click on transfer or reset iPhone. Then click on erase all content. That's down here. Then when you click on this, click on continue. Then click on erase iPhone and the phone erases. So in this process, go to your old iPhone and click on settings. When you click on settings on this iPhone, click on your account here, then click on iCloud here, then click on iCloud backup here. Then make sure this backup this iPhone is turned on. You understand? Make sure backup this iPhone is turned on. Then just go back to your home screen and wait for your new iPhone to reboot. Please make sure your iPhone is charged above 50% before you start this process. And make sure this iPhone, that is the old iPhone, is connected to the internet. So we're going to allow the new iPhone to reboot. This actually takes some time, but you just have to be patient with it and allow it to reboot. So now that this iPhone is on, what you just simply need to do is swipe up, then wait for a few seconds. It's supposed to automatically pop up on the old iPhone, but if it does not pop up, all you need to do is just click on the power button, then click on the power button again. As you can see, set up new iPhone. So we're going to click on continue and it's showing connecting. Then when this prompt shows, you pick up your old iPhone, then you come here and you basically scan the barcode. As you can see, it's scanned. You basically scan the barcode and you just wait. Then let's drop this back. As you can see, we have getting things ready. Just a moment. Then continue on your other iPhone. So we're going to click on setup for me here. Then we'll allow this iPhone to activate. Make sure you have a strong internet connection when this iPhone wants to activate. If not, it will fail. So as you can see, the iPhone is activated. You see data and privacy. So we're going to click on continue here. For Face ID, we'll set up later. So click on set up later. But you can continue and just set up your Face ID straight. So create an iPhone passcode. So for this, I'll just use multiples of zeros. Use anyway. Multiples of zeros again. Then we'll allow it to load. Then you see transfer data from iPhone. So we'll click on continue. As you can see, they said if you are moving from iPhone, you can transfer all the data and settings directly to this iPhone. Keep your other iPhone nearby and connected to power until the transfer is completed. Estimated time 5 to 10 minutes. So click on continue. As you can see, they say setting up your account. So allow the account to set up. Then they request for your Apple account password. Your Apple account password. So I'll just pick this up and type in my password. Sign. So I've inputted my password, but for some phones, it will not require this. As you can see now, they say Samuel Onoja signing in, terms and conditions. So we obviously we have to agree to this. So click on agree, and as you can see, Samuel Onoja signing in. So we allow the Apple account to sign into the new phone. This takes a while, but if you have a strong internet connection, it's pretty fast. Samuel Onoja signing in. So let's just allow this to sign in. As you can see on the other iPhone, they said finish on new iPhone. So yeah, basically all the process we are going to do is going to be on this new iPhone till we are done. So what this does basically is transfer all your iCloud data into the new iPhone. So now, as you can see, make this your new iPhone. Here's everything set up as you've had it on your other iPhone, apps and data settings. So let's click on continue, turn on location services. You can actually set up later, but let's turn on location services. Silent mode, which is the action button on the iPhone 15 series. So just click on continue. So for me, I'll just do not now, but you can customize yours. Apple Intelligence setup now. I think it's only available on the iPhone 15 and 16 series. Emergency SOS, click on continue. As you can see, on the other iPhone, you have a device added to your account message pop-up, so click on OK. On both iPhones now, you can see transferring data from iPhone, transferring data to iPhone. Keep your other device nearby and connected to power until the transfer is complete. Time estimated about 2 minutes. So basically on this other iPhone we don't have much data because of the let's say because of this video. If it was to be an iPhone with so much data, let's say over 256 gig worth of data, it would take hours, but this we just do only 3 minutes just because of this video. As you can see, estimated time remaining 1 minute. So all you need to do is just be patient with this and allow the data to transfer. So we still have 1 minute left. Although in most cases you see 1 minute, but trust me, you could wait for over 10 minutes to 20 minutes. Or you could see an hour. Or in most cases, I've had instances where we had over 5 hours, and before you know it, would spend only like 1 hour on it. So it just depends on the data you have on your iPhone. If you have so much data, you tend to wait a longer period of time. But if you have less data, you could just do it in a couple of minutes and you are done with. So for this, we still have about 1 minute left, which if you ask me, could be more than 1 minute. But yeah, for the sake of the video. Please make sure that your iPhone is above 50% before you start this process, because if you start this process on a low battery and your iPhone tends to turn off, everything just gets cancelled and you have to start afresh again. And trust me, it can be really, really frustrating. So make sure your iPhone is above 50%, or if your iPhone is not above 50%, make sure it's plugged in charging. So as you can see, this is almost done right now. So let's just wait for it to like finish. We are still waiting. We are still waiting. As you can see on this iPhone, we have transfer complete. And on this iPhone will automatically reboot. That's why the screen went off. So on your older iPhone, you click on continue. And what this does is that it gives you an option to erase this iPhone for the next user. Maybe you want to hand it down to a family member, sell the iPhone, or give another person. So it gives you an option for you to erase this iPhone. And what we are going to do is that we are going to click not now so that we can confirm if some files actually moved from the old iPhone to the new iPhone. So we just click on not now, and boom, it just comes to like the actual home screen. So let's wait for this other iPhone to reboot, then we'll confirm if some files moved. So on this iPhone, I think I just have pictures. So let's go to pictures, and yeah, this is basically all the pictures I have on this iPhone. So we'll confirm it on this iPhone if it's actually moved. So if you come here, we have just the normal apps. Like I said, this was for the sake of this video. So let's allow this iPhone boot up and see if the pictures were transferred to this iPhone, just for confirmation. So yeah, on the new iPhone now, the new iPhone has rebooted. So let's just swipe up. So remember, we used the multiples of zeros for the password. 00000. So restore, as you can see, restore completed. Apps and data we continue downloading in the background. So let's click on continue, and Face ID we set up later. Face ID we set up later. Then set up mobile service we set up later in settings. Then as you can see, welcome to iPhone. Swipe up to get started. So just swipe this up, and yeah, this is it. So let's confirm if the pictures were restored. Let's see, we're getting the prompts. Use this iPhone when sharing your location. Let's click on use, and let's click on photos. And as you can see, all the pictures on the older iPhone are in the new iPhone. So basically, this is just how to transfer your files from your old iPhone to your new iPhone. If you go to settings here, you can see that our Apple account is pretty much active right here. So all your iCloud information and everything is being transferred from this iPhone to this iPhone. So yeah, basically, this is how to transfer files from your old iPhone to your new iPhone. So if you're done transferring the files from your old iPhone to your new iPhone, you could just basically come to settings here. And when you get to your settings, you are met with an immediate prompt that's requesting you to, what's next for this iPhone. So you can either click on get started to erase, or you can click on don't erase iPhone. So if you want to give this iPhone out, you can just click on get started to erase. If you don't want to give this iPhone out, you can just keep it and keep on using it. So that's it. So basically, this is how you can transfer your files from your old iPhone to your new iPhone without using your computer or any software. Do well to like, comment, subscribe, and also share this video for more. Thank you.